Hello friends, if you're new here, I'm Leah, aka Leah Joan. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on something that I get asked a lot. Well, not anymore because I haven't curled my hair in a long time, but back when I used to curl my hair every day before I started doing makeup, because now I don't do both because that just takes too long, so I pick one or the other. But everybody used to ask me how I curl this and how I make it stay and all that, and really it's not that complicated. I don't know if I just have good hair that just stays curled, and I don't know, but I figured I would show you guys how I do it, so maybe it will help you, and then maybe you'll be able to curl your hair. So as you can see, I went to bed with my hair wet last night, and this is just it dried and natural, and I just brushed it. But we're gonna get started on curling this ish. As you can also see, I already did my eyeballs. I didn't finish my makeup though. I just did the eyes so far. Not that you can really see because the lighting's not the greatest, but here we go. When I curl my hair, the first thing I do is section it off. So I'm gonna take it, I kind of usually do 3 sections. This will be one, and then I'm just gonna twirl it and clip it up. Oops. Alright, so just so we don't have so much hair to work with. The lighting in here is booty, so I'm sorry about that, but whatever. I clip that up, and the curling iron I use is the Pro Tools. I think it's a 1-inch. I don't know, it's not. I have the box, let me see. Yeah, it's a 1-inch professional gold curling iron, as you can see here. My mom ordered this online at Target a while ago. I think it was like on sale for 13 bucks, but it's just the one we always use. I'll take little pieces and I just clip it. I'll roll that shit up, and then I spray it with hairspray. Naturally, my hairspray is not gonna work. And I just kind of leave it to sit here for a few seconds. And like literally, this is basically what I do the entire time. It's really boring, and I just stand here a lot of the time. So I'm gonna be fast forwarding through a lot of this because you don't need to see me curling every single little piece. But as you can see, so this is the basics of it. You take it, you curl it, you take it, you curl it, you take it, you curl it, you take it, you curl it. Do 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 do. I just sent Mario this picture of me. As you can see, my makeup looks good, and he said, "Nice highlighter." Look at that highlighter, girl. Hi. Babe, I don't have highlighter on yet, but you tried. Only Mario. As you can see, the curls look weird, but don't worry. We're gonna fix them. They're not gonna stay like this. That's for sure. Then once I'm done curling like one side, I'll take the hairspray and just spray the whole side. And then we move on to the other side of our head. And we do the same thing we did on the other side. I used different lashes today. These are the Sonia Kashuk something, but I really like them. They're actually super easy to put on because they almost seem like curved. So they just kind of fit right on my lash, and I'm like, now I need all of them. Might have a new favorite lash. You can't see me. I'm back. People probably think I do this stuff just to put on a show, but really, I do this stuff even when there's not a camera on me. Whoa! Oh my god. Could have burnt myself right there. That would have been very bad. Way to go, Leah, you freaking klutz. What else is new? Okay, now we are finished with this layer. So we're gonna let the hairs back down. And then we're gonna take another section. I usually just leave kind of the very top, almost like you were gonna do a teensy tiny half ponytail. because I don't want too much of it, and I kind of like this top layer to be extra curled since it's the top and it's what you see most, I guess. I don't know. It's just how I do it. We're gonna do the same thing with this layer. Just start curling. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I always curl towards the back. No matter what side I'm doing, I'm twirling it to the back. I'm getting prettier by the minute. And I didn't even finish my face yet. So can you imagine how pretty I'm gonna be when I'm done? I can't even. I wish I could. Does anybody know if I can like play music in the background on YouTube videos and not get copyrighted for it? Because I'm very nervous about that, but I really want to listen to some music right now. Look at how curly this thing is. SMH. Oh my god. Okay, now we are done with that side and we're switching to this side. But first, spray that side a little bit. And then we can start over here. You know what's odd? A year ago or even a month ago, I would not dare taking a video or posting a video when I don't have like foundation on, because I'm very self-conscious of my skin because it's so pale and it doesn't tan like the rest of my body no matter what I do. And now that I started wearing more makeup, I actually feel more confident with none on, which is weird. Like today I went to the store and ran a bunch of errands with zero makeup on, like no eyes, no eyebrows, nothing. And like I posted videos on Instagram and people messaged me saying how beautiful my skin is, and I'm like, well, thank you, I guess. Just a fun fact. Okay, maybe from now I'll make this like a little chatty instead of just fast forwarding through everything. Except I don't really know how to do like a chatty get ready with me, because how long can I really talk to myself for? This morning I woke up and I had an appointment at Best Buy because I thought something was wrong with this camera, that it wasn't importing onto my computer and I couldn't figure it out. So I went there and basically he told me that it's not the camera, it's my computer, and that my Mac has some kind of glitch. I'm like, oh my god, are you kidding me? He's like, they might even have to give you a whole new laptop. Really? So I went to Apple. I tried to make an appointment online for their Genius Bar or whatever, and it kept telling me that my Apple ID was trying to be used somewhere near Akron, Ohio. I changed the password and it still kept telling me that, so I figured it was just kind of a glitch. I called the Apple store, and of course you get the automated system. And the automated system tells me to go online and schedule an appointment with the Genius Bar. Zero help, because obviously I cannot get online, so thank you for that. So I was yelling on the phone. I kept saying, representative! But they wouldn't give me one. So I went into the store and the guy helped me out, and he looks at my laptop and I told him the problem and he goes, ugh. And I'm like, oh great, this is not gonna be good, obviously, if he's that sighing about it. And he goes, no, it's a Windows user told you that. I said, what? And he said, yeah, somebody who uses Windows and doesn't know how to use MacBooks is the only one that's going to tell you that. There's nothing wrong with your laptop. And then we figured out that nothing was wrong. It was just the way I was recording my videos in 4K that wouldn't transfer onto my laptop, so now I have to record them in whatever it is that's under 4K. But now they'll all transfer over. So then after that, I went to Ulta because I had to return some foundation that I bought. And by the way, did you know that 21 Days of Beauty starts tomorrow? Except I don't know what day I'll be uploading this video, so I'm not sure what day of the 21 days it'll be by then. But anyways, then we're gonna let down this last strand of hair. And then I'll tell you the rest of my story, don't worry. I wasn't just gonna leave you hanging like that or something. My part is kind of in the middle, kind of to the side. I don't really know what my part is anymore, because usually I'll just curl it and then I take it all and I go, you are going over this side, no, yeah, you're going over here. Okay. Anyways, now we're gonna curl the rest of this. Sorry about the intermission. My camera always decides that I'm just too hot to record and it gets like overheated. So. But my story continued. After Ulta, I went to Sephora to return the Amrezi highlighter that I bought online because I'm not that impressed by it for $30. So I returned that ish. And I got a new eyeliner. And then a new primer. And then after that I came home and I did my makeups. And now here I am curling my hairs for you. Well, not really for you. I'm doing it for me. But I figured I'd record it so I could show you. I don't know how YouTube people do it so good with like talking to themselves the whole time. I only got so much to say to myself. I really feel like this didn't take as long as it usually does. Maybe it's because I was talking to myself the whole time and entertaining myself. Okay, don't burn yourself, bitch. Alright. We on the last curl, and then we gonna spray it all, and then we gonna brush it out, and then we gonna spray it some more, and then we gonna look real freaking good. Alright. So now we're done. This is what it looks like currently. And then we're gonna spray it. I usually spray it upside down. And I actually leave it for a little bit, so I'm gonna go do a couple things and then I will come back and brush it out and show you what it looks like. Okay bitches, I'm back to brush out my hair and I'm literally so weird. I'll use my clip just because I feel like a brush like this has too many bristles and it brushes out all the curls. So I just take this and you kind of brush that shit out. You don't want to brush it out too much because I don't want the curls to just like die, but I don't want them being so ringlety and stuff. And then I flip my hair down and back up and here we are. You got like messy curls, but they look nice and yeah. So this is where we are, what we did, yeah, what we accomplished. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this can help you learn how to curl your hair or just a different way to curl your hair or if you want your hair to look different. But I hope it helps because I know a lot of people don't know how to curl their hair and I literally just learned like last year, so I'm with you. But if I can do it, you can do it, so get it, boo. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know what else you want to see from me. Okay, love you, bye.